How to use the Kobalt air compressor. Air compressors make everyday DIY work much easier. Kobalt air compressors are easy to set up and use even for beginners. There are a few simple steps involved in assembling the compressors. The most commonly used air compressor type around houses and work sites is the piston-type, single-stage air compressors. They can be used for multiple purposes, and the piston is operated by either a gasoline engine or an electric motor. The air is compressed and moved into a storage tank. The piston increases the air pressure by moving in more air. Kobalt air compressor. According to Kobalt air compressor reviews, these products are exclusively developed to serve Lowe's. These products come with electric-powered motors and feature an array of styles and designs. The power of the motor can be in the range between 1.5 to 5 horsepower. Experts categorize these compressors as a mid-use tool, making it ideal for domestic workshops and residential garages. The advanced version can even serve commercial purposes. Kobalt compressor review. Top panel. According to the Kobalt compressor reviews, the location and the design of the panel are some of the main aspects that should be considered when buying these tools. Most customers prefer the top panel design over the design of panels along the sides, as the top panel offers better control for the tool. Also, the functions of the tool can be monitored easily. With better control, better safety is ensured. The top panel model can either come with metal gauges, or it may feature an integrated control panel with fitted knobs. Some models may come with a coupler to ensure hassle-free and smooth functions. The large regulator knob allows better control of the tool. Some of the models from top manufacturers even feature automated top panels. Models with top panels have generally received positive reviews. These models are suitable for users with all ranges of expertise. Therefore, you can opt for these compressors with good confidence. Kobalt compressor review. Portability. Another important feature the Kobalt air compressor reviews advocate for is the portability of the machine. Portable machines are simpler to use and easier to store. According to experts, you should go for the models made with sturdier and lightweight material. The use of heavy compressors exert greater pressure on the shoulder and the hand muscles. This increases the risk of injury. Lightweight and portable compressors don't have this issue, making them a safer option. Therefore, experts always prefer portable models. This is the main reason for the popularity of the Kobalt air compressors. Kobalt compressor review. Twin tank. While looking for the Kobalt compressor reviews, you can either go for a compressor with a single tank or the ones that feature double tanks. Double tanks compressors can compress more air, allowing them to be used for a longer time. According to the Kobalt compressor reviews, these double-tank models have a greater demand compared to the single-tank designs. The alternative for a double-tank design is a large single-tank design. Kobalt compressor review. Quiet motor. According to the Kobalt compressor reviews, you should consider the amount of noise produced by the compressor before buying it. Excessive noise comes as an annoyance as well as an occupational hazard. Therefore, it is always safe to go for the quieter models. The models that come with lubricating oil are the best option here, as they produce the least noise during operation. Kobalt compressor. Bottom line. From the Kobalt compressor reviews, it is clear that you should give priority to models made with durable yet lightweight materials with sleek dimensions. Also, double-tank models can be used for longer usage. Operational noise is also an important factor to be considered before buying a compressor. By opting for the models that come with assured safety mechanisms for the users, the chances of occupational injuries can be avoided. Most importantly, you should select the ones that come with a standard length warranty. Why you should use a Kobalt air compressor for home garage. Easy maintenance. Although these compressors are powerful machines, they are very easy to maintain. Speeds up the work. It can increase the speed of work happening around the house. It can help with hanging crown moldings and finishing basement walls. Cleaning is easier. Kobalt air compressors can be used to clean a variety of things. It can even clean the furnace filters.